Welcome to Ezra's Chronicles, a space where faith, poetry, and wisdom are embraced. Today is February the 20th, 2025. My personal poem for this week is called Songbird. So without further ado, Songbird by Ezra Godson. A songbird died this morning, an unexpected death. And when she died, the heavens sighed with pity and regret. Her songs were known by many as fortunes to the sky, and when she crooned melodically, her ballads made us cry. Her wingspan was majestic, her plumage royal blue. One night in flight her voice hit highs that charmed the sun and moon. Entranced the sun burned brighter, romanced the moon shone red. Some days were nights of crimson shine that caused the earth to dread. I'm tired of her singing, said earth to sea and beasts. She hogs the light, beyond her rights all seasons seem to cease. Let's hatch a plan of violence, with cunning and by stealth. With flagrant lies, half-truths so vile, we'll cut her sway and wealth. The earth, the sea, and every beast conspired for her fall. With times arranged, the songbird's fame had changed to none at all. Her runs were mocked and scoffed at, vibrato scorned as foul. The songbird's name, heard by their claims, made fans and family scowl. Alone and crushed by envy, the songbird cried and cried. She drowned in tears of whispered fears which no one dared deny. So if you are a songbird, be careful when you fly. Your fall from grace could all be traced to nature's cruel designs.